What's up guys, PNV Model Airport here. Just received one of the original Gemini Jets terminals that includes the trains that go back and forth on it. Off eBay. Brand new terminal here. It's in brand new condition, that is. And yeah, so excited to get this on my airport and to get this unboxed. The box had shelf wear and tear, but I believe it's only been opened once, but it's in great condition. Check this out, guys. Holy cow. There she is, guys. Here's the box. It's a pretty decent sized box. All right. Here's the train, of course. Very excited about that feature. Awesome. 2007 Gemini Jets, Las Vegas, Nevada. There she is. You can read all that there. Very excited. All right, we got box A, B, and C here. Box A. Jet bridges here. Beautiful terminal, of course. There's this piece that goes right on top of there. Beautiful, beautiful. There's the first terminal, guys, and then the jet bridges and the ending terminal pieces that come with it. Don't know really what those yellow things are, but some type of caution barrier. But there's the first one. Box B. Hey, there's the train. So, comes on this thing here. Got all your jet bridges, your train, right in there. Terminal, of course. And there she is with box B. So we got two more on top here then, along with the train. And here's box C. Let's get box C open here. Oh, there she is. Beautiful. Comes the train, of course. More jet bridges. And here it all is. Let's get it together and we'll show you what it's like completed. All right, trains are on. Just goes back and forth. These things were magnetic. They just stick right on. Let's get her out on the airport there. All right, guys, here it is pretty much put together. As you can see, it's compared to the new Gemini Jets terminal right there in the background. I think this more represents more of the Air France terminal at JFK anyways, because it's a lighter terminal anyways compared to Terminal 4 anyways, so it looks pretty good. Gets their listingness done. We'll get some batteries in her later so we can see the lights too. I'll show that on the Instagram at PNV Model Airport. The trains there. Oh yeah. Really cool airport terminal, guys. If you can get your hands on one of these, I highly recommend it. Looks pretty awesome. Yeah, it's pretty cool just to keep. I might put another green terminal there too down the road, but this just looks really awesome where it is. But yeah, guys, here's the terminal compared to the other one. Pretty cool. Goes all together there. I mean, this thing's massive, guys. I mean, not as massive as the green one, but pretty much just as big. Well, thanks for watching, guys.